One thing we are not going to lie about is the fact that how Musa loves his family. You see, when it comes to his family, that man loves his family and we cannot take it away from him. You can see when he's around, even his children, he loves his children. Though, yes, almost like it's criticized over the fact that he does give preferential treatment around his kids or when it comes to his kids. But holistically, guys, that man loves his kids. Every time we see on scene Umusa interacting with his children, it just melts South Africa's hearts because when he's around the children, he knows how to, go down to their level and relate to them at their level. So though sometimes he can be hard, he can seem as if he's hard, but he loves his children and he loves his family. And quite frankly, at this point, no one has denied the fact that there's nothing that Musa wouldn't do for his family. Even the wives, every time it's his birthday, when they reflect about the man that he is, that is something that always comes up, that he loves his family. Um, the last episode of Utando Tembu, you could even see the way he was relating to Usne. And Abantu was basically saying that Yaz Umusa, if he did not love Usne, he wouldn't still even be in her life and show up in her life the way she does. The past seasons, we always heard Snee speaking about her father, Uti, the struggles of their relationship. And we always thought Tukutu Musa was the wrong one between Snee and Musa's relationship. But now we're coming to see Usne. In this season, we saw Snee's true colors. And we saw Uti, I inkinga Usne here. But even the fact that Snee eats Imalie grant, she eats the children's grant money, she lives her own lifestyle. That time she's got two kids, she's very much grown, but yet Mstele still decides to even still give her an allowance. I think that on its own, guys, is an act of love. Umosa tries to continually bring Snee, to not give up on Snee. He really does have a soft spot for Snee, even though Snee doesn't see it and Snee feels like Musa doesn't love her and the family doesn't love her. But I believe with Snee, we stage where she thinks, yes, that's less a stage when you young, if I can put it in that way, where you just believe your whole family hates you, you believe everything concerning your family hates you. I think the majority of us have been at that place where your family accuses you, your family reprimands you about your decisions and the way you live. And that's normally coming from a place of love. But yet you think they just after you, they hate you and all of that. I think that's where Snee is. And my hope for Snee is that she gets to a place to see that these people are really just trying to help her grow into a woman that she too can be proud of tomorrow. So big ups to Musa Mseligu. We can say many things about him, Ututanda Bafazi, all of that. But one thing we know is that Musa loves his kids and he loves his family, and we love to see it. Please do make sure that you like this video. Please also subscribe. It is for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.